Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing an advanced Rumba practice routine. First, I'm going to teach you the steps and then we're going to do it with counts and then we'll do it with music. Stick around until the end so I can show you a more advanced beginning. Alrighty guys, here is part one. I will be showing you this routine from two different angles. So we're going to start with our right foot coming across. We're going to have a forward walk turning. From here, we're going to bring our left foot in and right foot out into a lunge. We're going to straighten that right leg, bringing the left leg in. We're going to have Rumba walks forward, walk, walk, walk. From here, we're going to do a spiral turn. And then coming out of the spiral turn, we're going to have a syncopated step. So we're going to go right foot underneath the body, ball of the foot, swivel, and left foot out. Now from a different angle. We're going to have that right foot crossing in front, forward walk turning. And from here, left foot pulls in. Again, this is syncopated timing. We're going to have a ball of the foot. Right foot comes through into a lunge. Pulling up, straightening the right leg. Pulling the left leg through. 3 Rumba walks forward, 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 forward. We're going to have a spiral turn, syncopated timing, right foot ball of the foot underneath the body, swiveling, and left foot forward walk. Now with counts. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1. One more time with counts from the other angle. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now part 2. So we just finished on that left foot. Forward, we are going to do a forward walk turning on that left foot. And then I'm going to do a sliding doors, right foot back. Replace the weight to the left foot. And a delayed forward walk with the right foot, stepping onto it. Now we're going to do left foot forward walk turning instead of a cucaracha. Left foot forward walk turning, right foot forward, and again left foot forward walk turning. We're going to go right foot back, left foot to the side, and right foot forward. From here, we are going to do 1.5 turn on our right leg to then sit on that right leg in a line. Okay guys, now from the other angle, I finish with my left foot in front. I have a forward walk turning. I do a sliding doors, right foot back, replace to the left foot, and a delayed forward walk with a compressed knee, stepping onto it. I do a forward walk turning on my left foot, a forward walk on my right foot, and a forward walk turning on my left foot. I do a back walk on my right, side on my left, And now forward walk. If you notice, it's in the diagonal. From here, 1.5 turns to sit into a position. Alrighty, guys, with counts. We go 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And again with counts from the other angle. And 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to take part 1 and part 2 together with counts. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again with counts from the other angle. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, as promised, I'm going to show you that advanced beginning. So we're going to start the same on the left foot. Instead of doing a slow forward walk turning, you're going to do a quick forward walk turning. From here, you're going to do a 3-step turn, 3, into that lunge. And then all the rest of the same, coming up and doing the Rumba walks forward. Let me demonstrate that more advanced beginning with counts. 4, 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.